This is a Segway Ninebot F2 Pro with a loose rear fender that rattles constantly. The screws holding the rear fender in place became loose and fell out due to vibration. So in this video I'll be trying to fix it. If we turn the scooter over, we can see where the screws are supposed to go. They go through these holes on the metal bracket and screw into these holes on the underside of the fender. The problem is that when the fender is in place, it's impossible to access the holes with a normal straight screwdriver. So instead I'll be using this right angled screwdriver set that I picked up on Amazon for about €5. And because the original screws were lost, I'll be using these two screws with a wider head. Hopefully the larger surface area in contact with the metal bracket should reduce the chance of them coming loose again due to vibration. A drop of Loctite to each of the screws would help with this too. I'll place the screw through the hole on the bracket and then line up the tip of the screw with the hole in the fender. Now it's just a case of tightening the screw using the right angled screwdriver little by little. This takes a long time because you can only rotate the screwdriver by a few degrees each turn due to the lack of space. After a while though, you should get the screw fully tightened, and then we could turn the scooter over, insert the screw on the other side and slowly tighten that one too. Eventually you should have both screws fully tightened and the fender is back held solidly in place with none of the rattling we had before. I hope you found this video useful. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.